I have right here an unusual USB cable from AOHI because it is not a normal USB-C cable. It works as a normal USB-C cable, a really good one, but it also has two additional features that are useful for survival. The first thing is that it has built-in lighting, so you can start a fire using this USB-C cable. And the second impressive feature is that it has a built-in knife, so you have a USB-C cable, a lighter, and a knife all in one handy device. The cable is 10 centimeters long and it can support up to 240 watts, which is the maximum power delivery that the USB-C protocol is capable of handling. So it is prepared for the maximum. And let's see what they say on the box. Prometheus 3-in-1 Titanium EDC Cable, 240 watts max, 5 amps max, 3-in-1 cable, fast charging, ceramic lighter from AOHI. So let's unbox it. Here we have information about it. We have built-in magnets for storage, power delivery 3.1, and here is the cable. Here we have the magnets for storing the cable. There is the lighter on one end and the blade on the other end. And just like that, we can easily disconnect the lighter and we can also disconnect the blade, leaving us with just a standard USB-C to USB-C cable. But we can conveniently plug in the lighter and we can also plug in the blade. And the blade can be rotated. To show you, this is exactly what the blade looks like. Let's test it on a piece of paper. Cutting this key is significantly more difficult because of the unusual shape of this blade, but let us try to cut it on a flat surface. Let's try to cut on a flat surface. Maybe this blade is not exactly meant for precision cutting, but for opening up various boxes and packages, it is certainly enough to cut them open, and it should last for a very long time. And as for starting a fire, I'll test that outside, but for now, let's just see if the lighter will glow when I plug it in. Let's plug it into the power bank. And there's a button on the side. Let's press this button. Now that the material is glowing with an intense and steady heat, let's carefully take the entire setup outside into the fresh open air to conduct a proper test and see if the temperature is actually high enough to successfully ignite the kindling and start a fire. So as you've seen, it is able to burn the paper. When you are starting a fire, a dedicated fire starter would be incredibly useful, and as you can see here, it quickly gets hot enough to burn through the paper. This tool can definitely help you start a fire whenever you might need it, and since it is quite small in size, you can easily fit it right into your pocket or your backpack. And you have a USB-C cable, a very high quality one, a sharp blade for opening packages, and also this handy lighter for starting fires, all contained in this small device. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.